Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rob Sutton. We're back here with another review today. So I'm going to be honest, when we finished this space down in the basement for my home office and studio, there was a little bit of something missing, and that was my desk area. So while there are a lot of great components on this desk, it really didn't feel warm and it didn't feel like home. So that's when Grovemade stepped in and said, hey, do you want to try out a couple of our products? We might be able to change that. And they did. So let's take a look. So first, they sent over 3 products. There was a headphone stand, a desk pad, and a shelf. So let's look at the specs of each. First, it's the leather desk pad. It's Wick & Craig premium vegetable tan American leather backed with natural cork. It works with optical mice as well as being a writing surface, and it is actually a natural grain leather that will wear over time and get its own personality. It's 3.5 millimeters thick and it comes in 6 different sizes. And then there's the walnut desk shelf. It has a 15-ply premium hardwood plywood top with an aluminum shelf that's actually curved in the back to keep things from falling out the back, and it has a natural cork stand hand stained with Japanese calligraphy ink. Then there's the wood headphone stand, which is 9 inches tall and weighs 2.25 pounds. Has a solid hardwood core with a natural vegetable tan leather outside and stainless steel frame. So I'll be honest, it is really important to me that I feel at home at my desk setup. I spend a lot of time here and I work from home, so it's my personal space where I really need to feel like everything's kind of warm and inviting. And like I said before, it really wasn't with the big screen and all the peripherals kind of scattered all over the place. So I needed something that was a little bit warmer, a little bit more inviting. And I'll be honest, these Grovemade products really transformed my workplace into somewhere where I really want to sit over and over again. When you combine these products with the lighting that I have on the desk, it really is a warm space where I could sit there for hours and actually get a lot of work done editing or anything else I'm doing. So first, let's talk about the leather desk pad. One, it is genuine premium leather. You can feel it as soon as you touch it, and that cork on the bottom actually keeps it staying put on your desk when you are using it. And I can confirm that my highly sensitive optical mouse works really well and the keyboard stays put. But one of my favorite parts about it is that it's natural. It's never going to look the same. So it is always going to be a premium product that just kind of wears over time and looks really natural on the workspace. And then let's talk about the monitor shelf. One, I don't have this monitor actually sitting on the shelf itself. It's on a Vivio stand that I will link in the description below that you can find. That it is actually just about half an inch off the top of it, which is perfect because you get a little bit of light shining through, which is a really nice touch. However, it is so nice to have storage space underneath this large monitor that I did not have before. So where I used to have my laptop, my iPads, and other things that were sticking out and just laying all over the desk, I no longer have that because I have a shelf space that I can actually use for that adds to the decor of the area versus taking away. And also the assembly process of the shelf was super easy. I think I only used 2 screws to actually put this thing together. So it makes it an incredibly easy install if you want to really just warm up your office space and have a lot of functionality that goes along with it. And then there's a headphone stand, which honestly for me is more of a decorative piece because I really don't care if my headphones are on the desk at all. But the honest opinion is it looks great. When you have these Sony headphones sitting on top of the desk, it's almost like a statement piece when people walk in. It's like, oh, you have everything that matches with all the walnut wood, and it looks really nice on the desk space and just adds to the overall decor. Okay, so let's talk about downsides because there are 2. The first one is the obvious one. Grovemade is a boutique company that makes boutique products, and they're really high quality and they cost a lot to make. So they are going to be expensive. And I'm okay with that. I've always been okay with that when it comes to like car interiors and other things where I feel like it is worth paying someone that owns a small company that really makes great products versus paying for something on Amazon that might look kind of the same, but really isn't the same. And you get to support local companies within your country that actually do a really good job of employing people and making great products. So there is that offset there, but you do get the quality for the price. And the second thing, it gets kind of addicting. I'm already looking through their website, seeing what else I can add to this desk just to keep the whole theme going. So when people make really good products, you want to buy more of them, which is a really good thing, but it's not so good for the wallet. So just keep that in mind if you decide to purchase some of these products from Grovemade. So guys, what are you getting here? You're getting a really well-made product that is really well designed with top-end materials. So you are going to pay a premium, but the offset is these will probably last for about forever. So I'm getting a really high quality product that actually adds to my work experience throughout the day versus taking away from it because I'm annoyed that it's some cheap product that I just bought off of Amazon. So guys, I want to hear what you think. Do you see yourself adding some of these Grovemade products to your desk accessory lineup? I want to hear what you think down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to Rob Sutton for more videos like this in the future. And until then, on to the next one. Thanks guys, see ya.